Okay, now let's look at the next function that we can do, a next operation on a single linked list. Okay, that is add a new node at the beginning of a linked list. We have already created two nodes. Okay, so the first node that we created was having the value data value 10. The second node that we have created is having the value data value 20. Okay, now Q always points to the first node. Okay, why does Q always point to the first node? Because we want a reference to the start of our single linked list. If Q is not pointing to our first node, we have no way of accessing our single linked list. So therefore we make one pointer. In our case it is Q that will be always pointing to the first node. Okay. Please remember, this is a continuation of the previous lecture. So if you have missed, please refer to the previous video and then watch this video. So we call the main function from, and we want to add a new node at the beginning of a linked list. So we are going to add one new node here. Okay, we will assign some data value, say 5. Okay, then this node will be having some address. Okay, and then we have to link this node here. If we are going to link it here, what address it should have? It should have the address 500, because the address of the next node is 500. So it should have here in the link part value as 500. So we'll see how to do it through programming. So we have here now a temporary variable temp of the type struct node, a variable num, okay, which will be used to store the data entered by the user. In the next two lines we ask the user to enter the data. So let's say he has entered the data as 5 and the data is stored in the variable num. Okay, then we, in the next step, so we are having here 5 which is stored in num. Now we allocate memory using malloc. So whenever you see this statement, I think by now you should know that we allocate memory. We create one new node, an empty node with some memory address, say 400. So this is a node and it will be pointed by 10. So it will be pointed by 10. Okay. Now we want to store data here. In this portion. So the code for it will be to access that will be temp arrow data. So this is the data part, temp arrow data. Okay. So which variable contains our value 5? The variable num. So when we execute this statement, 5 will be stored here. Okay. Now we want to link our new first node. Which is our new first node? This is our new first node. And which was the old first node? This one. We want to link both the nodes. Okay. So if I want to link both the nodes, the address of the old first node, that is 500, should be stored here in the link part. Okay. So let's see the programming. So now to link it, I refer to this as temp arrow link. So this is the link part, temp arrow link. So here it is, temp arrow link, and I want a 500 value to be stored, 500. Now I told you what is the value of, where is the value of 500 stored? In which variable? It is stored in the variable Q. So this memory address is stored in the pointer Q. Therefore we In order to store 500 here, we say temp arrow link equal to q. So we will get here 500. So this means this node will link to the next node with the address. Since it is 500 here, it will link to the node with the address 500. Okay. Now I told you q always points to the first node. But if you look in the diagram, where is q pointing? Q is pointing here, that is in the second. So we want q to come to the first place. So if we want q to come to the first place, what should be the value of q? Value of q should be equal to 400. Value of q should be equal to 400. Now in the diagram, if you look, which variable contains the value 400? Which variable? Temp. Temp contains the value 400. So we want to give the value, assign the value of temp to q, so that q is pointing to the first node. Okay. So we do that using this last statement, q equal to temp. So what that will do is, it will shift q from here, and q will start pointing. Q will start pointing to the node with the address 400 because of this line here. Okay. So this is how we add a new node at the beginning of a single linked list.